The Conservator Substation transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor locations. This industrial transformer features a primary voltage of 3-phase 66,000 volts delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 12,000 Y and 6930 grounded Y. This system is rated for 630 KVA and is approved for step-up or step-down operations. This transformer ensures extra space for storing oil and is equipped with breathers to facilitate airflow. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.